how to put together the Thule or Thule Canyon XT cargo rack. Here we go. Looks like all your bits and pieces are in here. All right. So I went ahead and downloaded the instructions online on the Thule website. It looks really, really well put together. So I'm going to break out all the different parts and screws and get going. So first we have to pop these off. They're on each end. Then they simply just slide together. Then we have a hole there and a hole on the bottom, and there's one on each side. Each bag's kind of pre-labeled, which is nice, so I took out the 4 screws, put the 4 washers on. Comes with its own Allen key, so now I'm going to go ahead and attach. Okay, so to attach the windshield, you need this little washer and these guys, which were in a completely separate bag from that. So these guys were in one bag, they were in another bag. I hate that, but it is what it is. So now we're going to take these little clips here, and as you can see, I've already got that one on, and that one on, and they simply just go over the top like that. Oh. And they just simply fit in, and you tighten them down once you measured everything out. So then we can take our bracket and these go through here like this. 1 and 2. It's going to slide under and it's going to bolt in. Oh. To there. And so I end up flipping the basket upside down. Just makes everything a little easier to work with. And I'm going to snug those down a little bit, but then flip it back up and do the final tightening once it's upside down, or back to the right way up. Okay, so if you have the Thule, these slide in the ends, just right there. And now we're gonna put the basket on top. Okay, so we got it on. Then finish it up. It's a good idea to make sure that it actually fits in the garage before you tighten everything up. Last step, then on. Last step is to insert these little plugs right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me angle the camera out. Yeah, last step is just put these in, turn them with a screwdriver, and we are done. Love the Ford Bronco.